Ready to unlock a world of products for your Shopify store without ever touching inventory? Today, we're diving into how to seamlessly add AliExpress products to your Shopify store and kickstart your dropshipping journey in just a few simple steps. First, you'll need a dropshipping app. Two popular choices are Oberlo, if it's still available, and DSers. Head over to the Shopify App Store and search for either Oberlo or DSers. Once you find your chosen app, click Add App to install it to your Shopify store. After the app is installed, you'll be prompted to create an account or connect an existing one. Follow the app's instructions to link your Shopify store with your AliExpress account. This connection is crucial for importing products and automating orders. Now comes the fun part: finding products on AliExpress. Browse AliExpress and identify products that align with your store's niche and target audience. Once you've found a product, navigate to its AliExpress page and use your chosen dropshipping app to import it within DSers. For example, there's usually an import button or a similar function directly on the AliExpress product page. Click that button, and the product details will be transferred to your app's import list. Next, customize the product information within the app. Edit the product title, description, and pricing to make it more appealing to your customers and align with your brand. Finally, with your product information perfected, push the product from your dropshipping app to your Shopify store. This will create a new product listing in your Shopify admin panel. And that's it. You've successfully added an AliExpress product to your Shopify store. When a customer places an order, the app will automatically fulfill it through AliExpress, streamlining your operations.